All right, all right. Welcome, everybody. Let's talk about something we all love, football. You see these players on the field? They're like human lightning bolts. They're sprinting, they're jumping, they're sliding. It's 90 minutes of non-stop action. But have you ever stopped to think about what powers these incredible athletes? Think about it like this. You wouldn't put regular low-grade gas in a Ferrari, would you? If a player eats a greasy cheeseburger and a mountain of fries right before a match, they're going to feel it. They'll be sluggish, slow, and probably wishing they had a couch nearby instead of a defender breathing down their neck. The right food gives you energy, helps your muscles recover, and keeps your mind sharp. It's a complex science, but the idea is simple. Good food in, great performance out. If I eat a whole pizza backstage, I might come out here and forget my monologue. It happens. Okay, it doesn't, but you get the point. Energy is everything. So when you see your favorite player celebrating a goal, remember that it started in the kitchen. It started with a nutritionist planning their meals, making sure they had the perfect balance of nutrients to be faster, stronger, and more focused than their opponents. Food is the unsung hero of football, the behind-the-scenes manager that gets the team ready for victory. It's not as glamorous as a bicycle kick, but trust me, it's just as important. It's the first step to lifting that trophy. So if food is so important, who decides what's good? This is where it gets interesting. Enter FIFA. They've also stepped into the kitchen. They have this thing called FIFA-Approved foods. It sounds super official, right? But what does FIFA-Approved actually mean? It's more of a guideline, a stamp of quality for products and catering services that meet FIFA's nutritional standards. They focus on high-quality lean proteins, chicken, fish, whole grains, sweet potatoes, brown rice, complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Proper hydration and smart supplementation are part of the plan. Tournament food providers must follow strict FIFA catering guidelines, ensuring every meal is up to snuff. A way to standardize quality and avoid feeding stars a bucket of fried chicken, specially formulated sports drinks with balanced electrolytes. Energy gels for a quick mid-game carb boost. Think of it as a best practices list for feeding a team. Many pros are already close to the FIFA ideal, but they're human. Same grilled chicken and quinoa most days, plus the cheat meal. Not always good versus bad, precision versus practicality. Lean meats, lots of vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats. The list is logical. Less about products, more about a philosophy. Eat clean, play clean. Okay, that sounds sensible. But does the FIFA stamp actually change performance? Now let's put these two diets head to head. In one corner, the FIFA-approved meal plan. In the other corner, the regular footballer's diet. Sleek, scientific, minimalist, grilled salmon, scoop of quinoa, steamed broccoli. Every calorie is counted. Every nutrient is optimized. Designed to make an athlete perform at their absolute best. In the other corner, a more flexible human diet. Same grilled chicken and quinoa most days, and the occasional burger. Is it a game changer or brilliant marketing? Companies love this stamp. It elevates their brand. If you have two sports drinks on the shelf and one has a little logo, which one are you more likely to grab? So I talked to sports nutritionists. Their answer: it's complicated. The guidelines are fantastic and evidence-based. For a massive event like the World Cup, standards prevent disasters. No one wants food poisoning before a semi-final. A skilled nutritionist can create a meal plan as effective, or more, than a generic FIFA menu because it's tailored to the athlete. For young players, focusing on labels misses the point. Stop drinking soda and eat your vegetables. There aren't studies comparing FIFA-approved quinoa to regular quinoa, but the science on the nutrients is crystal clear. Complex carbs keep glycogen stores topped up. That's the fuel for high-intensity exercise. Protein is the construction crew for muscles. Consuming protein after exercise maximizes repair. Science supports that. The science supports the ingredients and timing, not the brand or the sticker. A FIFA-approved drink isn't chemically superior to an identical formulation. The approval tag creates a halo effect, making us believe it's healthier and worth more. So be skeptical. Look past the shiny label and ask what's inside the box. A banana doesn't need a sticker. Simple and true. Now, let's talk about the weird, squishy psychological stuff. The placebo effect. Let's talk about the placebo effect. It's when you take a sugar pill but think it's powerful medicine, and suddenly you feel better. They see the FIFA-approved sign and are told, this is the fuel of champions. That builds confidence. That belief can reduce anxiety, increase focus, and give them a mental edge before they even step on the grass. They might push a little harder in the 85th minute because they feel prepared. Should you hunt down FIFA-approved foods? The answer is a pretty clear no, but with a little but. The real game plan is to understand the principles. Eat whole foods, choose lean protein, opt for whole grains, and stay hydrated. A banana, a bowl of oatmeal, chicken, rice, broccoli, fundamental stuff, no sticker required. If you're an athlete, personalize your nutrition. Your body and position are unique. A tailored plan beats a one-size-fits-all guideline. For everyone else, don't overthink it. Let your cart look like a garden, not a chemistry experiment. Focus on consistency and quality. The best diet is nutrient-packed and sustainable long-term. Stock fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Learn what makes you feel strong. FIFA-approved foods work because they're healthy and packaged for athletes. But they're not better than other healthy foods. Pro aiming for a World Cup or playing with your kids. Same rules. Eat well, move your body, don't believe the hype. Humorous. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think there's a Tonight Show approved banana with my name backstage. Good night, everybody. Recap: food helps, the label helps with logistics and confidence, but the fundamentals win. Subscribe for more breakdowns and tell me in the comments, what's your go-to pre-match meal? For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.